box the kit. See, don't pack it good. Alright. That looks like one piece of exhaust. There's the rear muffler. Strong catalytic converter. Some additional piping. Big exhaust clamps. Motor mounts. Intake. And other catalytic converter. Motor mount, two motor mounts. The new power steering cooler. It's all radiator hoses, intake tube, evap purge hose, brake booster vacuum hose, JL fuel line, not a clue, power steering reservoir hose, steering gear fittings. This is the power steering pump adapter. This is up your radiator hose T-connector to overflow bottle. So it's the new upper radiator hose. Motor mount bolt, AC compressor bolt, bell housing bolt, radiator hose clamps. It's that AC compressor bolt that I was talking about yesterday in that video where you cut that piece off and chamfer it, and that sits down in there if you have that style of AC compressor. This is just an air filter. And then there's a metal bracket underneath there for the air cleaner assembly. So that's a new windshield washer fluid bottle. And yeah, new windshield washer fluid. So that's all the bolts for the exhaust manifolds. Heat shield. Other heat shield. Driver's side exhaust manifold. And oddly enough, it comes with exhaust manifold gaskets, which they put in their kit. You needed to purchase separately, so I already had purchased those. Hemi install instructions inside. Comes with a USB memory stick that says install instructions and program for taser control module. It's the taser. And the sticker fell off. There's the automotive. There's a full engine wire harness. Should be the adapter plates. Transmission bell housing, drill jig for JL stock trans. So you bolt this on the stock trans. This little piece right here will keep the drill bit from rocking. Comes with its own drill bit. You just gotta drill one hole. So this is the adapter plate for the back of the engine. This is that bushing I was telling you about removing the old one, and this one will sit in there, and that lines up the transmission. This is the transmission to engine adapter. And that jig for that that you drill out is for one of these pins to sit in. That's what it's there for. And that's it.